So whatever procedure we applied on our BSc, MSc, either mug up did, understanding, not understanding, because that time our target to collect marks more and more, 80%, 90%, how much we can collect, that much our good image will come. Our image is depend on our marks only. Either concepts have, not have, that is secondary. But hereafter, when you are coming or jumping on competitive exam, then everything you have to focus by conceptual, only concepts. If your concepts are strong, competitive exam is very easy. So first you have to delete your college method, whatever you did or whatever you are doing. Hereafter one line, one word you have to understand. Otherwise problems only. You can't qualify competitive exam. You have to focus deep. Here CSIR student also have, JAM student also have, and I think some online students are UPSC also available. So our always focus this 3 exam first, because these 3 exams, especially CSIR exam, syllabus is very vast syllabus, largest syllabus that is. After that UPSC syllabus, after that JAM syllabus. JAM syllabus little bit they are decreasing. But anyhow, JAM students, CSIR students, UPSC students, they have to focus everything. Because JAM students also have to write TIFR, NBHM, in future CSIR exam, and CSIR student must have to focus your syllabus. UPSC student, if you will focus CSIR and JAM syllabus, means enough. So first you do promise with you, from today I will read with conceptual, otherwise I won't read. I have to delete my college method, and very important, you have to save your time and have to give on self study. You have to forget enjoyment, relaxation, here there function party, some relation function party, college function party, have to delete. Just for 6 months, just for 1 year, just for 2 years. Means still your qualifying exam. Maybe starting you will feel how I will sacrifice. My uncle calling, my that calling, my relation, my friends calling. Today their party, today this party. No, everybody have to delete. Must. Otherwise, big problems you will face. Your exam will come, you will fail. That time your parents will ask, what happened? You will tell, I failed. They will get angry, tension, they will make pressure. So on time, you have to understand value of time. Till BSc, MSc, whatever you did in your college, or suppose I think some students MSc doing now. So at least leave it, whatever your college timing, college must have to go, so go, presenting, do, come, unnecessary time loss, don't do with friends, canteens, or any outside, leave it, enough, more enjoyed in your life. Hereafter give time for your life, otherwise you will get problem, coming generation will get problem. And plain degree is nothing. So CSIR exam, you know very well that yearly 2 times they are conducting. Before was exactly June month they are conducting exam, and another one December. This corona and all came, and nowadays NTA, after corona NTA conducting all online, they changed. So little bit timing problems are coming. June exam they are conducting July before and all, August and all went. So nowadays I'm seeing July end they are correctly conducting. And December exam, January and February first week like that they are conducting. So nowadays this fixed went. So just you keep on your mind, exam will always will happen June, July end, means June to July you can keep, but July end will happen, and December to January, any place, July to December session, either December or January exam will happen. But December they won't conduct hereafter. That changed on January end, and June exam changed on July end. This fixed went. Means you can think July, this July exam or January exam like that. After that, CSR syllabus is very largest, very vast syllabus. More papers are there. Real, matrix, complex, modern means group, ring, field, integral, equation, calculus of variation, LPP, numerical analysis, everything is there. In that, 5 papers is very, very important. Matrix, linear, real, complex, modern. Okay, but I will tell then right. First listen. Here already have. So I will write subject also. You can see subject also next. I will tell then right, no problem. First listen. Want to write, then tell me, I will tell you. So you can see that our topic for CSIR exam, matrix theory, linear algebra, real analysis, complex analysis, modern algebra, ordinary differential equation, partial differential equation, integral equation, calculus of variation, LPP, numerical analysis, quantitative aptitude. Okay. In that, these 5 papers are very important: matrix, linear, real, complex, modern, and ODPD. Applied part, if you will go, means ODPD most important. Theories, if you will go, means this portion is very important: matrix, linear, real, complex, modern. CSIR exam taking by 2 ways. 2 ways means our 2 ways are important, very important, because maths is there. 3 sections are there: part A, part B, part C. Part B, part C first I will explain. For that I told 2 ways. In part B, part C, you can see that matrix theories and linear algebra separate I am writing. Linear algebra means only 3 chapters, 4 chapters will be there. And linear is completely depend on matrix theories. Matrix theories are very vast theories. For that I made separate. We will focus full theories part first. If our matrix theory clear have, then linear algebra no problem. Direct solution will come without preparation. But we have to make strong our matrix theory. Okay. So you can see that matrix theory plus linear algebra together. Part B question coming 5 to 6 and part C question coming 5 to 10. When your luck is very bad, that time question will come 5 question. 5 question in part B, 5 question in part C. Why bad luck I am telling? That time they will make very tough question. Very tough question. Same with real analysis, 5 to 6 question part B, 5 to 10 question in part C. Only these 3 papers, matrix, linear and real. These 3 paper, if you are making first strong, then 90% syllabus work finished. Especially CSIR student I am telling. This 3 paper if you will strong, no, you can expect that okay, I can qualify here after exam. No need modern algebra, no need complex analysis, no need differential equation or other paper, no need. This 3 paper we have to make strong first. Because you see, when your luck is very good, that time 10, 15 question will come. Here what I did, total 10 to 16 questions on matrix theory plus linear algebra. Means when your luck is very good, 16 question coming, 15 question, 13 question, 14 question. And out of 30, you can think minimum, suppose minimum 13 question coming. Out of 13 question, 10 question if you will solve, no, that day your exam cleared. You will qualify. But this 10 question journey is not easy. Don't think this journey is very easy. 13 question, middle I kept. Sometime I saw paper, means they are more happy from us. More happy. So they will give 16 question. I saw one paper only from matrix and linear algebra. And they are this much happy. If your preparation is good, then out of 16, 13 plus question I am giving guarantee, you can do it. 13. Maybe 1 or 2 question can't do. So this 10 question and this 13 question journey is not easy journey, very tough journey. You think how much hard work have to do. And don't fear. If I am telling not easy journey, how much hard work have to do, don't fear. If you are ready for hard work, don't think about theories, don't think about 13 question I can do it or not, 10 question I can do it or not. That is my guarantee. You tell me I am ready for hard work or not. If you are not ready for hard work, you are not reading, either online student or offline students, everybody I am telling. If you are not reading on your home, hostel or offline students, here have to come for discussion, reading, self-study. If you are not coming, not reading, means result God also can't give. Nobody can give result. I am not giving result. I am giving only class. I will learn you how to approach. I will learn you how to qualify this exam. How your exams are making you foolish. Which place they are making you will make confusion. They will give some questions. Here what I told, out of 13 question, 10 question, my guarantee here. This 3 question, you know what is this 3 question? This 3 question they are making that student will use more mind on this 3 question and will lose their time. This is competitive exam. Their target how to fail you. How to fail you. This is their target. Some question they will make easy. Okay, students will give time, suddenly answer will come. So some question they will give, think 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Finish. Which day you will give on your question 10 to 15 minutes, you never will pass. Each and every question within minute I have to find answer, within minute. 1 minute to 2 minutes enough. Very tough question, 5 minutes enough. Within 5 minutes answer not coming, skip and go next question. If you are thinking your ego problem coming, no, I will do this question. So ego problem keep on home, on hostel, on discussion class, on classroom. No, I will do, miss I will do. Exam hall, no ego problem. Exam hall ego problem will fail you. Everything need in our life little, but depend on situation. Ego problem is good also, bad also, but depend on situation. Either on our life or our preparation. Here also I told 13 question we can do. Remaining 3 question, that 3 question only will make your time loss. And this 10 question and this 13 question you have to search. Which question I can do? They will give mix up. This 3 question, 4 question will mix any place. Not that means continuously 16 question coming, continuously 13 question you can solve it, not like that. Maybe 1 question you did, 2nd question can't do, 3rd question doing, 4th question can't do, 5th question doing, 6th question can't do. You have to search, where is my question? Where is my question? What is the meaning of this? Means which question I can solve. Which day on exam hall you will see your question only, no? You will pass. Every time papers are easy coming. Depend on your preparation. You will tell paper is very tough. This meaning your preparation not good. I'm seeing paper, every exam, either CSIR, UPSC or JAM or any. Every exam paper I'm seeing, I'm thinking if which students have 1 year, 2 year preparation or 6 months preparation with honestly, they can qualify. They can qualify. If you are telling I can't qualify, I can't do this, meaning you have to give extra more time, or you are not reading. You are from your college to institute coming, or home to institute coming. These both are different. First, you have to win from your mind, from your heart. I choose a strong decision, and this strong decision strongly I will complete, without fear, without tension. Why? Because I am ready for hard work. If here suppose 20 students came, no, either online, offline, or only offline. So first you keep on your mind, you are unique student in Chennai or in Tamil Nadu, because you taken decision I will prepare for competitive exam. Otherwise students are very fear, means more they are fearing. They can't take this decision also that I will prepare for this competitive exam. That much they are fearing. So here you are coming, or any competitive exam coaching center you are going, this meaning you are a unique student. Here means first step you win. You won already. Hereafter you have to do extra hard work. Okay? So matrix, linear algebra, only you set it 10 to 16 question coming, minimum 10 question also coming. Out of 10 question, last I am going, last means minimum 10 question must will come. And in this, which day 10 question coming, 8 question must you have to solve. This and all notation I am giving. That 8 question if you are solving, this meaning this time your confirm result. 4 question, 5 question, 2 question, 3 question solving, this meaning you don't expect. Like that preparation need. Out of 10 question, 8 question I am solving, you can expect, this time I will qualify. Otherwise don't expect. Why openly I am telling? Because students are thinking class I got, coaching I got, must I will qualify. No. Without your hard work, result not possible. So don't expect before. You complete your target. Which day? Either within 6 months, means next exam, or next year exam. Which year exam you can do it, that day only result will come. Before not. So expectation is not good. Okay? Next real analysis question. Same in part B, 5 to 6 question, and in part C, 5 to 10 question. Same situation, matrix, linear algebra and real. Matrix, linear together how much coming? Alone real analysis coming. Alone real analysis. Means part B, part C mixing, same situation. 15 to 16 question will come. Sometimes they are balancing, sometimes part B itself 8 question they will give, part C 8 question. 50-50. But they are maintaining 15 to 16 question. I told you when our bad luck have, that time maybe part B, part C 10 question will come. And in this 10 question is very tough to find, maybe 5 question also very tough to find solution. But this structure is different. Later I will explain. For this also solution have. Every paper they are giving ways. From that ways we have to come outside. So when our real and matrix both are tough have, that time where is our ways? So this I will repeat again later. But now 15 to 16 question we are going. Same here also 15 to 16 question coming, part B, part C both. If 10 or 12 plus question if we can solve, 10 also no problem. Real analysis this is. 10 question also solving after out of 15, 16 question means you are a very good position. Must your result confirm. Must. This batch you have to talk. Okay. Complete silent is not good. So out of 15 to 16 question, if 10 question on real analysis, if you are solving, this meaning you can expect my result. You are a good, you have good preparation. Then this much question you can solve, and in linear algebra matrix, this much question you can solve. And you think 10 plus question solving on real analysis and 13 plus question solving on matrix linear algebra. How much marks will come, you know? 50% also, if you will count, suppose 5 from part B, 5 from part C. 5 question means 15, 3 marks every question. Here 4.75 marks. How much will come? Just 5 marks also, you are 24 something or 25. Just you think 5, 40 marks. Suppose 38 marks here coming. Suppose that. Or 35 marks coming. Same situation here will come. Linear algebra extra have 13 plus. There 50 marks, part B, part C. Alone matrix linear algebra cutoff will cross. 80 to 90 marks you can collect from only matrix linear algebra real. Any type of exam. This is I am giving explanation for CSIR. But every student I am telling, focus but this 3 paper first. You will get more number of questions. Matrix linear algebra real. Okay. Next see complex analysis. Complex analysis, modern algebra and differential equation. These 3 are same situation. 3 to 4 question in part B, 3 to 4 question in part C. So complex analysis, modern algebra and differential equation. Same part B 3 to 4 question, part C 3 to 4 question. If your preparation is good, no, good preparation have, then maximum 2 question from here, maximum 2 question from here. Means total 6 to 8 question will come. Part B, part C mixing. And 4 question if you are solving minimum, then your preparation is very good. Then you think question how type will come. I am not telling 100% solution. 8 question solve. No, I am expecting 4 question if you can solve. Part B 2 question, part C 2 question. This meaning you are a good preparation doing. You are a good student. Understanding? But this 4 question itself don't think very easy. I can do it. No. For this 4 question you have to do more preparation. And all, either complex, modern and ODPD, both, all 3 topic I am telling. They have more big syllabus. Modern algebra very big syllabus have. Group, ring, field. But only 3 to 4 question coming. Remaining question you can solve maybe on your home. But on exam hall I am telling this is. In your home 100% solution you can find. But exam hall I am telling this and all. And this 4 plus question, will help you. What will help? On matrix, linear, real. Maybe we can't solve 10 question also. I told that here matrix theory, linear algebra, minimum 13 to 14 question I told. 15 question also possibility. Maybe we solved 10 question only. But that 5 question recover we have to do from this 3 paper. 4 question from ODPD, 4 question from modern algebra, 4 question from complex analysis. Just you think 16 question I can solve minimum. So this 16 question will cover matrix, linear and real. Everything we can't solve, no. So this 3 paper is supporting paper. If your matrix, linear, real good have, very, very good, then no need this and all. Only 3 preparation do and go for exam. Don't prepare modern, differential, anything. If you have good confidence, I can do it by this 3 paper itself, then you will qualify must. Because by this 3 paper, minimum 120, 140, 150 question marks coming. Total 15 question if you will add marks. But that confidence level is very tough. By 3 paper you will go for exam, maybe you have to return from on the way. I can't do it. So that is very risk. For that I am telling extra we can prepare our complex, modern and differential equation, and whatever we will miss on matrix, linear, real, that 16 question I can cover that marks. But this 16 question must you have to do. I am not expecting from you 3 questions out of, I told here 3 to 4 question will come. I am not giving pressure to you out of 3 question you solve. No, not possible. I don't want any pressure with you. Okay? So these 3 papers and upper matrix, linear, real, 3 papers, very, very important. Just you think our these 6 papers are very, very important for CSIR qualifying with good rank. Understood? No problem. Remaining paper, integral, calculus of variation, LPP, numerical analysis. These 4 papers, I won't give pressure to you for reading. No, I will give class to you because my duty that is, I will give. But you read, don't read, no choice. You can read. If you are feeling extra weak, that I can't do here also this 16 question, then little bit you can get relaxation, little bit. From integral, COV, LPP, numerical. From here I wrote 2 question part B, 2 question part C, 1 question. So at least 1 question from COV you can solve. Integral, 1 question. Maybe numerical you can solve 1 question. LPP 1 graphical question coming, that is common coming, 1 question. So maximum if you will prepare this paper and all. And for this paper no need to give more time or more mind, no need. Full applied, formula based. But part C question and all, more lengthy they are asking. Integral questions, COV question, part C questions are more lengthy. For that 1 question I am telling. I am not telling 2 question. Part B or part C, 1 question you are solving. So 4 question solutions will get support. But my side no pressure. This is your choice. I will give class, and class is very normal. Syllabus also very little. 1 day, 2 day class enough. But you can neglect also. Okay. Last, quantitative aptitude, means aptitude class. This is very important. This I won't tell you, skip. No. Our aptitude class is very, very important. how much matrix linear real is important, that much quantitative aptitude is important. Sometimes some students are feeling I know everything, so sometimes one or two students are not taking class. That is their choice. But this is very, very important. 15 question will come. Out of 15 means every marks is means 2 marks. 30 marks in section A. I am expecting from a student, either you are a very average student, dull students, minimum 5 question you have to solve. Minimum means 10 marks minimum need from here. Minimum, my demand this is. If your aptitude is very good, you take extra marks, no problem. 15 out of 30, 30 marks you collect. Some student I saw, they are very good in aptitude, full marks they are collecting. So if you are collecting 30 marks is full, then this will big help for your maths. Suppose 30 marks coming from here and from maths 60 marks minimum coming, then 90 marks must coming, result confirm. And if your aptitude is very good, then 60 marks is very easy in maths. In maths is very tough, this marks. Meaning, if you have no preparation, suppose before coming here, direct from college or just you self-study did and you are writing exam, suppose, then your marks minimum 40 to 60 will come. Maybe 40 marks coming, 50 marks coming, 60 marks coming, without your preparation. But competition is starting after 60 plus. Means if you want more than 60 marks, then this meaning hereafter you have to need preparation, proper preparation. Either pure self-study or coaching center or anything. But not possible by YouTube, question banks, ChatGPT, not possible. So competition will start after this marks. This is very common. Whatever, suppose 100 students are writing exam, mostly everybody minimum 40 marks will get. If you are a good preparation, have good student have, self-study good have, then okay, 60 marks you can get it. But after 60 marks only competition exam is starting. Then this 80 marks means just extra 20 marks, you will feel very tough. Either pure self-study or by coaching center also, if you will prepare, means this 20 marks maybe will increase after 6 months. Understanding? So aptitude is very, very important. Don't skip anybody. 5 marks means 5 question must I want. If you are good preparation have, more than 10 marks take. All aptitude if you know, 30 marks do, no problem. But 10 marks minimum want. Because always you will feel that cutoff going 90 and my marks coming 80, 82, 85, 88 every time. If cutoff going 85, then you will feel my marks coming 75, 76, 78, 80, 81. Always you will feel. Means you will feel that 5 to 10 marks never will come. And that 5 to 10 marks only aptitude will just pushing work will do. Aptitude this work only will push. Okay, so aptitude class I will give, properly attend, or if you have knowledge, then you continue. If somebody on your home or you are taking some tuitions and all, so if you are already taught or you are teaching 10 class student, 8 class student, 9 class student, especially 6 to 7 class students and all, if you will teach, then this your aptitude will clear. Aptitude you will feel very easy. Understood? So these all are very, very important for us. So whatever I gave explanation, matrix, linear, real, complex, modern, ODPD, these are very, very important, these 7 papers. After that 4 papers, your choice. 12th paper, part A, section A, that is my choice, must need. I will give class everything, but what I want,